I thought I felt something on the end of the tight, and I see bubbles, but don't really feel much for weight. Huh? No. Hey, we got a part of a screw. Get that out of the water, but I would have swore I had it like clamped onto something heavier out there. There. Feelings. Pulls right off though. Pulls right off. Oh, look at the bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, boiling trouble.
Maybe we have to work at it for a bit here, huh? Rub-a-dub-dub here. A girl and a guy in a boat. There's definitely something down there. Oh, there's more bubbles. Oh, I'm moving something now. Oh, oh dear. Oh, it came off. But I was moving it. Where'd it go? Look at the bubbles over here. Better check my magnet and make sure it's clean. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I actually was moving that, and it was beefy. Beefy heavy. Where'd it go? Well, I don't want to get too off course of where I was at now. Where'd it go? I actually had it moving and just about up off the bottom, and it come off. Well, folks, I guess I'll tune in if I get a hold of it again.